They gave me a toy. A toy. Baby, I can't live another day without you. Hey guys, it's Carly and I'm back with another video. For today, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite fast food items to get that are low calorie. I know, like, if you're on a weight loss journey or like you're just trying to lose like some pounds, you don't want to eat fast food. Well, at least like that's how I felt. Fast food sounds like the devil to some people, but honestly, in reality, there's gonna be times where we don't have time to go home, or you'll be on the road all day and you just want to eat something really quick and like you're just hungry, you know what I mean? So this is for these times. Like, honestly, I rarely eat fast food, but for the times that I do, like, this is what I get and I wanted to show you guys. If you don't know me, if you're new to my channel, I'm on a calorie deficit. I eat about 1,400 calories a day. So like, if there's a day where like you want fast food or anything and it works in your calorie goal, like, get it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you guys what I get. If you're new, hi, hello, I'm Carly. Welcome to my channel. I'm on a weight loss journey. I do some plus size videos. Yeah, like, subscribe. I'd love to have you join the fam. And if you watch me and you're not subscribed, whoa, what's going on? Like, subscribe. Like, come on, like, just, you might as well subscribe so you don't have to type my name in. Like, just subscribe. I love you, like, you love me. Like, let's just be friends. Add me on my social media. My Instagram is GlamByCarlyT. So yeah, first place we're gonna go to is Popeyes. They actually have these chicken tenders that are not breaded and they're just like seasoned really well, and they are so good, and it's only about like 274 calories for 5. Yes, please. I have been loving this water bottle as of late. Keeps my water so cold. I put ice in it. I put like ice and water in it this morning, and it literally, it's just as cold as it was this morning, and it's like 5 o'clock right now. So good. I'll have a link to it down below if you're interested. Such a good bottle. Can I please have a 5-piece blackened tender?
A 5-piece blackened tender? Did you want to do the 5-piece tender combo?
No, just the tenders, please.
Just the tenders by yourself?
Yes,
right,
please.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Yeah.
Anything else I can help you with today?
That's it.
Okay, you can pull to the next one though.
Alright, thank you. Every time I get these tenders, they always make me pull up to the side and wait, because I don't think a lot of people order this, so they usually just make it fresh, which I'm not complaining about. Like, I'd rather my food be fresh, so I usually have to wait. So I got my food. These are the blackened tenders. Oh my gosh. This is what they look like. Here are the tenders. They look so good. These are 283 calories for a 5-piece. They actually gave me 6, but this is what they look like. So I really like these. They're super juicy. See, like, by the inside, and they're literally just crusted with seasonings. So good. Only thing I don't like about these tenders is that they're fried, but I mean, like, that's like the price you have to pay if you're gonna eat fast food, I guess. But they're still pretty low calorie, like 283 for 5 of these, and they're really filling. Yes, please. Also, if you want like a side to eat with the chicken tenders, you could get a side of green beans, and I believe they're only 55 calories at Popeyes. So you could have this with a side of green beans and you'd be all set. I just really don't like green beans, so that's the only reason why I did it. But if they had another vegetable that was like low cal there, I would definitely get it. It's literally so good. Like, it's so juicy, tender. It's spicy. It really is spicy, but it's like a good spice. I'm gonna put all the nutrition facts on the screen for these tenders. It's a good amount of protein, so I'm not mad at it. It's really good. I don't know what else to say. Just get it. Like, I'm telling you, get it and you will not be disappointed. If you don't like spicy food, they're a little spicy, so I just want to like warn you. But if you like spicy food, you like juicy chicken, marinated chicken, get this. 283 calories, so you cannot beat that. let me know if you guys want me to recreate at home some of these like recipes of the things that I'm getting from these fast food places, because I feel like that would be a really fun video to do. And I feel like at home I probably could make them even low calorie. Like if I made these chicken tenders in the air fryer and like just let me know if you want to see that video, because I feel like it would be a fun video to make and a fun video to watch. So let me know. I want to do it, so like tell me you want me to do it. So next we're gonna go to Wendy's. I'm gonna show you guys what I get there. So good. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. I feel like I'm gonna meet you there, like you're gonna drive there, like I'm gonna see you there. I will turn the camera back on when I get there. That's what I need to say. Hi, can I have a junior cheeseburger?
Junior cheeseburger.
Is there pickles on it?
What happened?
Yeah, is there pickles on the cheeseburger?
Yes.
Okay. And can I also have a side of apple slices?
1 second, please. You're just getting a junior cheeseburger, right?
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
And do you have apples?
Apples?
Yeah.
You have apples like bites.
Yeah, can I have that please?
Okay, anything else?
That's it.
22.88 at the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
288. Real cheap. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so Wendy's. They gave me a toy. A toy. Because I got the apple slices. Oh, I didn't know we do it like this. So I got a junior cheeseburger and it is 280 calories. Yes. And I got apple bites. They look a little brown. See what this is looking like. Here's my cheeseburger. So 315 calories for a sandwich, and you get a side of fruit, some apples, which isn't bad. We all know what a junior cheeseburger tastes like, but it's okay. I can't tell you the last time I had a fast food cheeseburger. This is something I would get if I was like hungry and like I literally had no other option. I would just get this real quick. Like this will hold you over 280 calories. That's like a snack, you know what I mean? So this cheeseburger will definitely hold you over. It's really good. We all know what Wendy's cheeseburger looks like, but and I think it's cute that they cut the apples like this. It's so cute. The apples are actually really crisp. So I'm kind of upset that Wendy's didn't have the chicken go wrap. That's what I usually get. I don't really like fast food burgers like that. I don't know why. I've just never been a fan. So the chicken go wrap was actually 270 calories, and I got the junior cheeseburger, which is 280 calories. So it was just 10 calories more. But I'm so sad they don't have it. Like, what's going on? Like, how they don't have grilled chicken wraps anymore? Like, get it together, Wendy's. So yeah, I would have just got the go wrap and apples, but they didn't have it, so whatever. I got the junior cheeseburger and the apples. It's pretty good. It's filling. It's definitely gonna do what it has to do. It's gonna hold you over if you're hungry. If you're like really hungry and you really need something, it's gonna hold you over. I feel like for me at least it would be enough. I feel like there's other alternatives that you could get at Wendy's. They also have a Parmesan Caesar chicken salad that's really good. Why didn't I get that? I don't know. I just didn't want to get a salad because I felt like it was just like I don't know, I just felt like it was expected and I didn't want to do what was expected. But their Parmesan Caesar chicken salad is 240 calories for the half, and the dressing is 80 calories, so that's really good. And for the full is 400 calories with the 80 calorie dressing, so that's 480 for a whole Parmesan chicken Caesar salad, which is bomb. And they have other salads. They have the Southwest avocado chicken Caesar salad, which is 220 for half and 80 calories for the dressing, and the full thing is 450. So that's the full thing that's kind of pushing it for me, but But yeah, and that salad is pretty filling. I'll insert a picture here. But honestly, that salad's really good. Like, I kind of regret not getting it, but at the same time, I didn't want to get a salad. So yeah, I'm going to Burger King next, and we'll see what I get from there.
Can I help you?
Hi, can I have a grilled chicken sandwich with no bun and no mayo?
Ma'am, we don't serve grilled chicken here anymore.
No? Okay. So can I just have an order of chicken fries?
One order of chicken fries?
Yes, please.
Okay.
That's it.
No problem. $4.50, ma'am.
Alright, thank you. I wonder why they don't sell grilled chicken anymore. That's so weird. Damn, I really haven't been to fast food places in so long. Everything I used to get, they no longer have. Thank you. I got my Burger King and I got chicken fries. These are actually 280 calories for a 9-piece chicken fries, which is not bad at all. I originally was gonna get a grilled chicken sandwich with no bun, no mayo, but they don't carry grilled chicken sandwiches anymore. Like, have I been out the game for that long that I don't even know what these fast food places freaking serve anymore? Like, I'm so confused. But they don't have any more. But some other things that you could get, you could also get a cheeseburger. I really didn't want to get a cheeseburger because I just had some at Wendys, and the cheeseburger is the same. It's 280 calories, so that's another option. You could also get like a Burger King double cheeseburger with no bun, and that's 240 calories. So you could just play around with things and see what works in your calorie goal for the day. If I didn't have what I had today, I would have probably gotten like the chicken fries with like a side salad, which is 40 calories. So it's not bad at all. Enough talking. Let's see what these chicken fries are about. I can't tell you the last time I had chicken fries. I remember when like it was like everybody like loved chicken fries. Wow, they smell good. Here we go. There they are. I feel like chicken fries would be a really fun thing to recreate. So like I said, let me know if you want that video. I haven't had these in so long. They're really good. They're kind of addicting. Oh my god. RIP to my stomach, because I already know it's gonna be shambles. Like, so I just want to show you guys that it's not impossible to eat fast food if you are on a weight loss journey or on a calorie deficit like I am. It's doable. It's just something that like I wouldn't do every day. You could do it every day, but why not cook your meals by yourself where you could eat more and just more nutritious stuff. So, but like I said, if you're in a pinch and you need something real quick, there's nothing wrong with stopping at a fast food place and getting something, as long as it's within your calorie goals. So that's a big tip. I feel like people feel like fast food is 100% off limits, but it's not. Like, it's doable. You could do it. Just don't make it like a habit. Like, don't breakfast, lunch, and dinner fast food. You know what I mean? That's where like you could mess up. But yeah, I definitely want to go to other fast food places and show you guys what I get there, like Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, like stuff like that. I couldn't do it all in one video because it just it would have been too much. Like, just couldn't do it. I feel like the people who really watch me closely are wondering like, how did I just eat all that? I literally just ate about like half of everything I got. So I counted all my calories and stuff. I ended up having 418 calories, but if I ate everything, like everything that I purchased, it would have been 836 calories. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, for the people who are like, how did you just do that? That's how I did it. I just ate half. But on a day where I am stopping at a fast food place, obviously I'm gonna eat the whole thing because it won't be an 800 calorie meal, like, you know. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed it. I feel like it's something different. I'm out the house, I'm not cooking, like it was just something different. It was really fun. I really want to try to recreate these meals like at home and try to make them even lower calorie. And I like honestly feel like I could do it. Like, imagine low calorie chicken fries. Like, I want to do that. Like, I don't know how I would do it yet, but I want to do it. So let me know if you guys want to see something like that. Make sure you guys subscribe, join the fam. I'd love to have you. Follow me on Instagram, GlamByCarlyT. And don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. Leave me a comment down below on what your favorite low-calorie fast food items are, and also what places should I go to next for my next video. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!